to show you how to set up the trifold countertop screens. They're very easy to assemble and don't need any installation. The easiest way to set them up is in a U shape. The unit is 1 metre high and fully extends to 2 metres, and individual panels measure 67 centimetres wide. You can have the option of a window, and for a wider area you just simply pull the sides back, ensuring that the feet remain on the table. The great thing about these countertop screens is that you can reconfigure them to suit your needs. So you can have the option of an L shape, or if you wanted more space for staff and customers, you can reconfigure it in this way. When they fold up, it folds to just under 80 centimetres. And as a separate purchase, you can buy clamps, and this is for extra stability. There are single option or double option screens available. Again, this is showing you with the clamps how quickly and easily they can be secured. And these are the double screens. Again, great for corners. So please check out our full range on our website, and thank you for watching.